Hello universe, I'm Onalenna originally from the beautiful village of Masunga. I'm a screenwriter and I hope to become a director in the future. As someone who believes in purpose, potential and greatness, I want to be remembered as a woman who gave freely, equipped communities to find solutions and equipped women to lead. Miss Universe Botswana is about uplifting women and their communities. Therefore, I want to use this platform to contribute to the welfare of my country. I want to help eliminate gender-based violence by cultivating a consent culture and in order to dismantle the rape culture. I want to launch campaigns that can provide resources needed to help victims and also eliminate the chances of victims being created again. The uniqueness of my story is created by the values, principles, and standards instilled in me since birth. As a result, my life has meaning, it has purpose, and it has direction that helps me to lead a life of discipline, courage, and love.